going to the garden like a pro. Some beautiful shea tree. But the sun is so funny today. I think it is gonna be cloudy, so as I'm going for this garden walk, it will not be a hot day. Yes, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do what is called Gono Labuk, or actually traditional way of cooking sweet potatoes, which is commonly practiced by the youths, and it is mostly done on the remnants of the sweet potatoes after the massive harvest had been done. What we have been doing today, if you can see this side, we have been, that's a JBL speaker, I always like moving with music. We have been doing what is called Yarla Yata, which is the massive harvest. You harvest it in a whole quantity. We left one line. That side is not for us, from this shea tree. Yeah, it's not ours. It's for a different person. Now, this side is for different. It's for friend who happen also to give us this. Jalian, Maharaj, Pingati working Chungong. So this line, we left it to push us for some few months, and yeah. So this is the first step in the making of the first practical step, different from other things. From making labuk, you dig a hole of any size depending on the size of the sweet potatoes that you want to put, and also make sure that you are free to decide any shape that you wish, as long as it will accommodate the lumps of soil, and secondly the sweet potatoes that is needed. The next step is to gather the lamb of the soil. Let's go. Let me show you the lambs of soil. Some people might have not known. Some of you might have grown in Kampala or New York, London, wherever. Song playing legendary Leo Palayang. It's called Akura Kalam. Let the JBL sing. Yes. JBL sing the Acholi beats.
Fastino tira tikelo kalam aye kijabuka no aruingura kalam no kene mapeya ukero tira bikelo kalam mora lo mo wana wakiyo todo kira kawarada agara donkene manyeba mora lo mo wana wakiyo todo kira bala yen wada.
Well, we have collected, as you can see, the lambs of soil. The next step is to bring the sweet potatoes closer to the hole, which they are already near here, because we dig it near the hole. And another step is also to collect the firewood or whatever method you will use as a source of fuel to heat this. Before this or after this one, I will let you know. The science behind this method. So let's first go. You see the method or the fuel that we are going to collect. My baby is behind the mom. That's the voice you could hear. Let's continue. Clementina. Could this be chicken or you wearing? Someone. This one is a. This could be a URI. First focus here. Somebody might have chewed someone's chicken here. So the next step is to make some kind of a shape, an enclosure which looks like a grape. What is it?
Rio Gamiel.
Tirgam ngaro mo ke lu ke miel ke rigan. Eh. Bina banga edong jal. En pori chaka. So that was my neighbor interrupting a little bit in a friendly way. Now this is the shape. So whenever you find they are not stabilizing, you put a support, a small support like this one. You can see it. It's amazing, man. I wish we could convert this thing into powerful engineering discovery. So you see, just these two lines alone would even be enough. Now if I put this one behind, let me get a lighter one. Baby is disturbing. Let me get a lighter one here. So, let go. how you fix your source of fuel. So I'm using a lighter one for the first time so that it can pave way for the rest. Let me go get the matchbox. Damn mess, boy. So fire is burning. It's amazing. Valley Cave is always blazing, having the clings of the generations that were raising. That was Lumix. So the book is now blazing. The clings of the yard that we will put inside. So now, this is the right time for me to tell you or to explain for you the science behind this. The reason as to why this process is more preferable and faster, it's because of conduction. The other methods that transfer heat through radiation, but this one is conduction in contact with the soil, and then the soil will absorb the heat, then will transfer it straight to the sweet potatoes when it is deep inside. That is the science behind. It may be brief to say it, but it is a very powerful science. So this is how you pump oxygen inside. This lump of soil is traditionally known as tuk. So it is now ready to receive the potatoes. But I'm making sure that these firewoods are done. Jal bina go on book baja. Mano need to peel a woo going.
Au tard.
Ma te me topping on.
Pe vouré. Non, l'élève.
Oh la woo better book more yaw. Yeah, why you yeah, me te wanna see sure never cala. Go blue.
Ouais.
Yeah, recording. You are not bad.
Mais. Non che bare.
Neko. So this is the another step. We now put the potatoes inside. Some people even go a book new. Some people do it with cassava. Others they capture all the hand rats in the bush. Especially my lovely guys from Kirgu. So once it has entered inside like that, Check, the guys are inside there. You close it off by breaking the lamp of soy. You need to be careful because it's very hot and it can also burn you. When we were young, we used to call it singing in English. So they will be saying, that's what is called singing in English. We leave 2 leaves here to detect if it is ready. Yeah. Let's wait for the Labuk to get ready now. It's time to get them out, guys. Not yet right now, guys. Oi.
Baby, come on anyway. It's not there, though.
So for purpose of safety, so that somebody doesn't come to the LC one that I got banned because of these guys. Close it. So guys, it is the time now. You're welcome to enjoy what is called Labuk. It is very hot. Now this one is very nice with tamarind juice. Juice twa. Actually, I will show you how to make juice twa very soon. So don't forget to subscribe because this is the season of twa also. This thing has made me to laugh in vibration. Nice time we meet again, guys.
What?